Hi, I'm Jenna. This is my good friend Missy Robbins, and we're here because not too long ago I was trying to make carbonara for my son. It's his favorite. And Missy, who runs a restaurant called Lilia in Brooklyn, one of my favorites, was working, and she was generous enough to accept a photograph of me at my progress, and she was concerned, gravely concerned about what I was doing.
But impressed that you were making it.
And so she's here today in my house to help me figure out how to do it. And
It's not that hard, right?
And if I can do it, you can do it, because I suck.
Are you ready to make some carbonara?
I am. Can I ask a question?
Yes.
What is exactly guanciale? Because I actually don't. And am I saying it correctly?
Yes, you're totally saying it correctly, which is amazing. Guanciale is cured, I mean, don't get grossed out. It's cured pork jowl from here. I like it a little thinner so that the fat renders and you get it a little crispy. All right, you want to give it a shot?
Yeah.
And then you're going to slice the
really,
rest.
but-
We should switch jobs for a day. How about
maybe? We should switch jobs for a day.
for a day? Can we do that?
The problem is I don't have a job. I did. I was a waitress.
Really?
I was actually a really good waitress.
Oh, you were probably very nice.
I like taking care of people. Somebody had taken the phone, gotten out the door, and then they opened the door back the wrong way to hang up the phone, and I had a tray with tons of stuff on it.
No.
And so I had leaned forward and I shifted back to make way
And
for
it
them
all
to answer the
spilled?
phone. And I thought I had it, and I went out and I had to go down 4 steps, and I could feel as I was going down the 4 steps, all of the weight shifted to the outside of the tray, and I couldn't stop it. The tray came down into a woman's Louis Vuitton bag, all over her dog, into her hair, down the back of her shirt, like oatmeal. It was eggs. It was
Oh no.
the most humiliating experience of my life. All right, what's next?
Next is egg yolks.
All
Only egg yolks. So we just need to separate eggs. I'm going about 2 per person, 2 yolks per person. We're
Can I
making
help?
for 4. Yes, please. So while that's cooking, slowly,
Slowly.
you don't have to worry, it's gonna be fine.
Okay.
We have our yolks. We're gonna take some Parmigiano Reggiano. You're gonna put Prosecco in it? Jenna's new version. So you can't do too much pepper. You can't. All right, so this essentially now is your sauce, the base of your sauce. That's it. What kind of fashion tips you have for me, Jenna, while we're here?
Oh, we could do the sleeve roll.
Oh, let's do the sleeve roll.
Pull the cuff all the way down. Go all the way up first, so you keep the cuff out, and then roll, roll, and roll. Keep it towards your elbow.
Honestly, best tip. Pasta water has starch that comes off of the pasta,
Okay.
and that starch helps to often thicken sauces. We also want to cook the eggs. But you see how it's getting kind of tight? You just loosen it up with a little pasta water.
How much? The whole thing?
Yeah. If it gets too loose, cheese tightens.
I wish that worked on my ass.
Now we're gonna plate it. Most people just put it on the plate and twist. I, for some reason, have always done this. I twist the bowl and the plate at the same time. That's it.
Damn, that looks beautiful. Oh my God. This is amazing. This is actually amazing. You should be,
She's so
you should be a
surprised.
chef.
Thank you.
By the way, your sleeves look amazing.
Thank you.